God, oh yeah. Hey, 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 hey. You see the song? In the back of the song. Yes. Big style. Jump. 5 minutes of rain in Port of Spain. It's flood again. Oh my lashes, no galoshes, ruined my new trousers. I spent so many dollars. Oh bloody hell! If you see me, what happened? What happened? If you see me, oh God! If you see me, what happened? I slipped. Now my balancing, my balancing, my balancing, my balancing, my balancing. If you see me balancing, I reach my jalopy, I real happy. I'm the capital city. You know bandit take me. A female bandit sneak up behind me, right up behind me. She said, Mister, put your 2 hands in the air. If you see me, hand in the air, my hand in the air, hand in the air, my 2 hands in the air. She said, put your hand in the air, hand in the air. She said, leave them there. She said, leave them there. So now I'm shaking, oh God. If you see me shaking, just shaking. Oh good. I say, Errol, take a breath. Compose yourself. It was a harrowing experience. Let me tell all you. Aye, aye, aye. I can't lie. I'll stop trembling, trembling, oh God. That bandit dread in she head. She jittery, searching for money. She get my wallet, my whole wallet. Went in my wallet. She take every single thing from my wallet. She take every cent